Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on restricted mode on YouTube in laptop. What you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel and give a like. Okay, how to turn on restrict mode on YouTube in laptop. When you are in YouTube, just click on your profile icon. After that, you see here restricted mode off. Just click on it, and this helps hide potentially immature videos. No filter is 100% accurate. Just enable it. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to turn on restrict mode on YouTube in laptop. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.